Mama Worobalu, together forever. Nothing will divide us, no, 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 no.
Look around you, do you see a different man, or are you the same? Do you need to fight, or do you need to listen and understand? Stand on your feet undefeated, joining in union as one hand. Different yet all the same, bearing the African name.
Mama Africa, pray one day Almighty just see you through, so that you overcome the bad times, cause this is what your people are crying for.
Hey, I be been man now, and I'm African now. Fat to sing a magazine man now, what to know calling you. And the wafer to lunda to Batulima to Zatwanika to Kuza, to Fatatulima, and to listen, say no.
Big up to my motherland. So if I got no what to stay, me got somewhere to stay. Let me see to every night.
Imusanyu folecho chendi, okuwa mufiri kanga chirungi. Nchokera se kweka yona jengenda. I'm proud to be African.
I'm proud and I'm fearless, true to me daily. I never change and I never sway. I swear I will leave every day, and every day I leave I will stay true to you. Every time I pray, I'm praying for you. Africa, proud to be African. Africa, proud of your motherland. Africa,
in every way, I seek to walk in your right way, yeah.
see I want prayer to see how you rise to your place.
La 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 la, mama where I want, mama where,
Mama Africa,
Look around, see the beauty of Africa. Africa, we free, free like a bird in the sky, so high. Africa, we free, you know the limit is the sky. In Africa, yo, Africa, my continent, the crowd of mankind where we come from. Sabasaja, Wangale, Uganda, where we come from. Kila kokote ulipo, tuko pamoja Africa. You're welcome to Mama Africa.